playing at the doors again. Can you play at the doors? What's in the doors? Oh, can you put it back? Good job. Good job. Did it fit?
What's in there? What's in there? What is that?
That's a beaver's tail. Can you put it back? No.
No, put it back in there. There you go.
Oh, that's snakeskin. Is he a little guy?
That's a ladybug.
Here, put it in there.
That's
Put it in there. Goes in
We
there.
found a real ladybug
Okay,
when we were
close.
eating pancakes.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
we used to do that. This one's empty.
Jack was going to eat the beaver tail.
Oh.
Now he's going to try eating the ladybug.
It's a rock, isn't it? Yeah, you can't break that. I hurt somebody with it.
I knew so.
Oh, look at Shell.
Oh, what did Gina find?
Did Gina find the snake skin?
What is that?
Oh, don't pull it apart, honey.
Oh, they'll get more.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Snake skin?
I bet they stock them all the time.
Yeah, I bet they do. I bet they have an abundance of them. Now, that doesn't look like
What's
Canadian
it feel
goose
like?
feathers. That doesn't look like Canadian goose feathers in there.
Okay, Shell, where does the snake skin go?
I think it was this one.
Okay. Hook. Hook. Up.
Giggle, 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 quack. You want to read giggle, 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 quack? Jack, you want to read giggle, 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 quack? Too big. Pictures.
It's cookies.
Oh, Jack, there's cows in here. Come read the book. Jack, you want to read the book? He's rearranging the ladybug. Come here.
Nope.
You just don't have any interest, do you? Want to read the story? Cow.
Oh, the pizza. They're eating the pizza. See?